Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm at Milwaukee Media Event and I'm here with Grace. Grace, thanks for having us.
You're welcome.
You've got some new wire strippers that are brand new and made in the USA. Can you
Exactly.
tell us about them?
Exactly. This is our brand new USA-made wire stripper made with fully domestically sourced materials. We heard from our end users that they want more tools made in the USA, and we're delivering on that. But we're not just delivering on country of origin, we're raising the bar in performance and delivering best-in-class performance as well. So what this tool is going to give you are those clean strips that you expect from a pair of Milwaukee wire strippers. But what it's also going to give you, let me cut that one off. What it's also going to give you are those easier cuts through
nice.
Romex.
Yep.
What we've done is we've redesigned the shape of the blades here to be more of a V shape. That's going to grab onto that wire and cable as you're cutting to prevent it from walking. It's going to trap that wire, as opposed to standard competitive blades where that can tend
Pushes
to
it
walk
out.
out. Exactly.
How much?
These are going to be right in line with competitors in the low to mid $20 retail.
That is awesome. Thank you so much.
You're
Thanks for
welcome.
having us.
Have a good one.
Thank you, everybody. Well, that's a wrap. What'd you think?
Oh, it was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.